today we are doing how to get money fast. So, number one, make sure you do jobs around the house and clean up after yourself and do loads of stuff that can involve like teamwork and helping, and just helping people around the house is just number one. So I'll see you in number two. Number two, just if you're old enough, just get a job, work, and just do what you can do. Like, don't stop working, don't do anything that can make you get fired by your job. Just do as you're told and work and work, work, work. Number two, make your own website and earn money from people who go on your website or something like that. Just do something that involves you earning money and getting cash easily. So earn money from doing YouTube videos, filming, and make sure you get adverts on your YouTube channel and get loads of subscribers and viewers. Like, if you get 1,000 views, you earn about £2 or something like that, I think. Anyway, so if that's number 4 from earning money, just do YouTube channel, and like I'm doing now, I'm doing YouTube to earn money as well. So number 5, make this some apps where you can actually earn money from. It's like a Monopoly game, and if you land on like Go, you earn about £200 or £1,000. You can earn a lot of money on it. Obviously I don't play it because I'm too young, but so that's number 5 for you. So okay guys, thank you for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe, turn the notifications on, because you can get a notification when I do another video. And like this video, please get me to a lot of likes, because it really does mean a lot to me if that happens. Like up to 40 or 30 or 20, that would do. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.